Here we go. With the first overall pick of the PBA Draft Season 49, the team that will be making this first pick will be the Converge Fiber Xers.
With the first pick in the 2024 PBA Draft, Converge Fiber Xers select Justin Baltasar.
Justin Baltasar is the first overall pick of the PBA Draft Season 49.
No surprises, Dr. J. As you called it, and everybody anticipated as Justin Baltasar will be the first overall pick in this year's draft, and Converge, they've been trying to get another big man to complement the game of Justin Arana. And now with Baltasar, napaka-lethal na itong post combination ni Coach Aldin Ayo.
I agree with you, Coach Ryan. Actually, for me, Baltasar is more effective as a 4. But Justin Arana can play the 5. He's a natural 5. That's the way he played when he was with Arellano. Si Baltasar will now be complementing him. Although he's much taller, he's not as heavy as Justin Arana, but he certainly has more skills as far as outside of the box is concerned.
Yes, and what you want is how they will complement each other. Justin Arana has shown in the previous conferences his ability to back down defenders, do his post moves.
Yes.
And that outside sniping of Justin Baltasar, that will give enough space for Arana to do his thing. Now, if the man of Baltasar helps out, hindi mo rin pwedeng iwanan yan dahil kayang-kaya makatres yan sa top of the key.
Exactly, you know, Coach Ryan. Another thing is if you have a player that is a post player like Arana, and then you come in on the weak side with a guy like Baltasar, he'll get a lot of offensive rebounds and putbacks. And you know he's going to be able to make that, you know.
Oh, that is a very good point, Dr. J. At itong pick ng Converge na to, malaking bagay to para sa kanilang kampanya. They struggled a little bit in the last conference, but towards the end, nakakuha sila ng momentum, had a lot of key victories, and also made a lot of headway in terms of winning in the PBA. And with Justin Baltasar now officially in the roster, sky's the limit in terms of their progress.
So tignan natin from dead last season, ano kaya madadala ni Balti towards the coming season. But before that, punta tayo kay Bea.
I am with the first overall pick, Justin Baltasar, who is going to the Converge Fiber Xers. Balti, congratulations. A lot of articles have been saying it is about time that you enter the PBA. How excited are you that you are going into a relatively young team? Anong gusto mong ipadala sa Converge and of course contribute to the PBA?
Ayun, sobrang excited ako ngayon sa bagong team na Converge. And bibigay ko lang yung role ko as a big man. And then, yun, sobrang excited ako ngayon.
Speaking of big man, of course, may bagong duo na dito sa Converge with Justin Arana. How excited are you to be joining this young team and of course, playing alongside Justin?
Ayun, sobrang excited ako ngayon na makakabi ko si Justin kasi last year parang kulang sila sa big man, wala siyang katulong. So yun, mukhang magiging magandang tandem kami dalawa, magkampi.
All right, congratulations, Justin. Now let's turn it over to Apple, who is with a loved one of Balti.
Yes, Bea, on this side, makakausap naman natin Ms. Risha Baltasar, the wife of our first overall draft pick, Justin Baltasar. Risha, nasubaybayan mo lahat ng paghihirap pinagdaanan ni Justin both here and abroad. Ngayon, narinig mo na finally dito na siya sa PBA maglalaro. Gaano kalaking momento para sa'yo at sa inyong pamilya?
Sobrang napakalaking bagay nito. Siyempre, ito yung dream niya na makapasok dito sa PBA, natupad na. At sa napakalaking bagay sa pamilya namin. Sobrang nakaka-proud lang, nakapasok na siya. At bonus pa, number 1, first pick siya.
Do you have any message para kay Justin? I'm sure nakikinig siya ngayon.
Justin, sobrang proud na proud kami sa'yo, ng pamilya mo. Yun lang. Ito na, finally. Dito ka na sa PBA. Yun lang, congrats.
Thank you very much.